What up, you guys? It's Alex Strides here, bringing you with another video. So, as you guys already can tell by the title, it is the Nike Dunk Polaroids. But let's get into it. So, as you guys can tell, the paper, usually the paper is designed a specific way, but for this shoe, it's like a wood type of design. So here are the shoes. So the cool thing about these shoes is that they, not only is it like a collaboration with Polaroid, like the camera brand, like it has different swooshes, because in Polaroid cameras, like part of its logo has to do with like the colors, right? And that's what the swooshes represent, with like red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And over here, they have specific embroidered colors to represent such a Polaroid aesthetic. The material on the shoe is like ashy black. It's not suede, nor is it like canvas. It's like a weird ashy, smooth material, which is odd because I've never seen this like on a shoe, but it's cool. It's unique. One key feature about the shoe is that it comes with so many laces. It comes with it goes with 1, 2, 3, the ones that are on it, 4, 5, little ones, 6, 7 different laces on the shoe. Bring you a little close up, how they look, a few details on them. One cool feature about the shoe is that on the bottom, in the sole, there's this like red dot, and it's supposed to represent the button you press when you like press when you try to take a picture of a Polaroid camera. And again, the swooshes represent the colors. On the back it says Polaroid, and on the other shoe it says Nike. So you guys can see it's like colorful, and it's like blue, green, and yellow, and then it's Nike SB on the bottom. And then on the other side, it's yellow, orange, and red, and it says Polaroid on the bottom. Just gonna show you a little close-up on them. As you can see, Polaroid. Sorry about that. What's this? Polaroid, and it's like red, orange, and yellow on the insoles. And on the other side, it says Nike SB, but it's yellow, green, and blue. You can see these are all the different laces displayed for the Polaroid dunks. And the cool thing is that, again, each one is supposed to represent a color for the Polaroid camera, because its signature colors are like the rainbow. It's cool because like each one of the laces has Polaroid written on them. Each single one has it. It's Polaroid. It's backwards, but you can see each one has it, which is really cool. You know, just the small details. The back, the little square to represent Polaroid, since its logo is shaped like a cube, or its logo is shaped like a square. And this is the ashiness. I don't know if you could tell, but it changes a little bit. Oh, you can tell right here. Look at that. The material on here is like a weird suede. This is a very cool shoe, a very nice pickup. I'm glad I got them for retail, and honestly, it's a great summer shoe. I feel like this is gonna be a great summer shoe, like for the beach or just going out, like on a road trip or something. I feel like this is gonna be a really great summer shoe, and this is a happy pickup. Overall, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate every one of you guys. Therefore, I just want to say like, subscribe, share. Please share. I want to reach 1,000. If I keep growing and pursuing this, I can eventually make better content for all of you guys. And from here now, I'm going to be doing way more unboxings of shoes. Way more. So this is the first of many. So thank you. Alex Strides out.